how to turn on or turn off camera scene optimizer on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, tap on the quick controls button. Then tap on settings. Now in the camera settings, go down and then tap on intelligent optimization. After that, go down and tap on scene optimizer. So tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on scenes optimizer. With this feature, your phone can automatically optimize the color and contrast of pictures to make dark scenes look brighter and make food look tastier and landscapes look more vivid. Now you can also turn off here. If you select minimum, this will automatically turn off scene optimizer. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.